Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you people doing well at home. Now we are going to start. Today's chapter is International Olympic Committee, right? International Olympic Committee. The Olympic Committee, that is IOC, is the governing committee of modern Olympic Games. It is a committee to support and promote participation in sport throughout the world. As you know, the Olympic Committee has its headquarters in Lausanne, Switzerland. It was created by Perry Baron de Coubertin in 1894, 23rd June. Greek Demetrius Vigelas was the first president. Its membership consists of 105 active members and 32 honorary members. International Committee. The IOC organized the modern Olympic Games held in summer and winter. Right? The duty. What is the duty? Every 4 years, the first Summer Olympic Games by International Olympic Committee were held in Athens. First of all, Greece Summer Olympic Games, Greece in 1896, whereas the first Winter Olympic Games were held in Chamonix, France in 1924 until 1992. Both Summer and Winter Olympic Games were held in the same year. After that, the IOC changed the Winter Olympic Games to the even year between Summer Games to help space and planning to the two events 2 years apart from another since 2010. The IOC means International Olympic Committee, has started to organize the Summer and Winter Olympic Youth Game. The first Summer and Youth Olympic Games were held in Singapore in 2010, whereas the first Winter Youth Olympic were held in Ansburg in 2012. Right? This is the main work of International Committee. Now, मेंबर ऑफ कमेटी, यू कैन से ना गवर्निंग काउंसिल, मेंबर ऑफ कमेटी, इसमें कौन कौन से मेंबर्स होते हैं और उनका क्या काम होता है, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द IOC कंसिस्ट ऑफ मेंबर फ्रॉम वेरियस कंट्रीज विच कंस्टिट्यूट president, vice president, executive board, and security general. The description of these members is mentioned below. First of all, president, then vice president, then executive board. These are the three main member. Now, what is the duty of president? The president of IOC is elected by members. The president is elected from a term of 8 years. After the expiry of his term, he or she can be re-elected. The current IOC president is Thomas Bach. Right? You can know today who is the current Bach is Thomas Bach. Then vice president. Olympic Committee has 4 vice presidents. They are chosen by the member of International Olympic Committee. Their tenure is 4 years. After the expiry of their tenure, they can be chosen again if the member desires so. Simple. दोबारा भी इलेक्ट कर सकते हैं अपने आप को, दोबारा भी इलेक्शन लड़ सकते हैं अगर मेंबर्स चाहे तो. देन एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. The IOC, International Olympic Committee Executive Board, consists of President, 4 Vice President, and then 10 other members. All the members of IOC Executive Board are elected by IOC session. All the members of IOC from various countries in a secret ballot by majority of vote of cost. The IOC Executive Board assume a general overall responsibility for the administration of the IOC and the management of all affairs. Right? Now, what is the function? Main function of IOC. What is the function of IOC? IOC, again I'm telling you, IOC, sometimes you just, IOC means Indian Olympic Association. No, It is International Olympic Committee, right? The IOC perform a number of functions which are described. First, the venture where the Olympic Game will be organized to decide by the committee. Second, the elect a new member, proper functioning of sports program, and selection of host city. Third is promotion of the sports and games. Fight against doping, very important. Fight against doping. What is doping? डोपिंग का मतलब होता है जो अनवांटेड सब्सटेंस यूज़ किए जाते हैं अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को इन्हेंस करने के लिए बाय एथलीट्स. यू कैन से ना चीटिंग. मेकिंग रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन फॉर द स्मूथ फंक्शनिंग ऑफ गेम्स. देन टू इंकरेज द डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर स्पोर्ट बाय सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकल वे टू द प्लेयर्स. ये कैसे भैया, अच्छे प्राइज, अच्छे गिफ्ट्स, अच्छे ऑनर्स. इंसेंटिव इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एप्रिशिएशन एंड इंसेंटिव, ये सब मिलेगा तो प्लेयर ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप को बूस्ट महसूस करेंगे. द इंकरेज एंड सपोर्ट द प्रमोशन ऑफ एथिक्स in sports as well as in education by youth through sports. It's very important to motivate the culture and education combined along with sports. Fight against political and commercial abuse of sports and athletes. Encouraging and supporting or promotion of women in sports at all level. वुमेंस को भी आजकल हम लोग डिप्राइव ऑफ कर देते हैं, खासकर इंडिया में. ये भी बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. इंडिया में क्या, पूरे वर्ल्ड में हम वुमेंस को साइड लाइन कर देते हैं. दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. वुमेन को भी सेम इक्वलिटी होनी चाहिए उनके लिए. फाइट अगेंस्ट पॉलिटिकल एंड कमर्शियल अब्यूज़. देन एक्टिंग अगेंस्ट एनी फॉर्म ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इफेक्टिंग द ओलंपिक मूवमेंट. किसी भी भेदभाव को, नस्ल, जाति, कलर, सब नहीं होने चाहिए. द मोटिवेशन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, टेकिंग एक्शन इन अदर एंड स्ट्रेंथन बाय यूनिटी एंड प्रोटेक्ट द इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ ओलंपिक मूवमेंट. दिस इज द मेन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज IOA. Remember that IOC and IOA. IOA means Indian Olympic Association. That is IOA, right? Indian Olympic Association was established in 1927. Sir Dorabji Jamshedji Tata and Norman became the first founder, president and secretary general, respectively, of Indian Olympic Association, that is IOA. You can see IOA. You can see Sir Dorabji Tata was also elected the first IOC, that is IOC, again I am telling you, IOC, International Olympic Committee member in India in 1928. Sir Dorabji Jamshedji Tata resigned from the post of president of IOA, that is Indian Olympic Association. After that, Maharaja Bhupinder Singh became the president of IOA in the Olympic Games in 1928, which were held in Amsterdam. The Indian hockey team was sent in Olympic. The Indian hockey team, which participating first time in Olympic game, won the gold medal. It's a great honor for Indian Olympic hockey. The election of official barrier of IOAC held in every 4 years. The council consists of various members like president, 9 president, vice president, 6 joint secretary, 1 secretary general, 1 honorary treasurer, 7 respective to the state of Olympic Association, and 12 respective representative of National Sport Federation of IOA. Right now, objective of Olympic Association. Olympic Association के objective क्या है? Right, I am going to tell you the objective. Development and the promotion of Indian Olympic movement. सबसे important बात है. Development and promotion of Olympic movement. Enforcement of all rules and regulation of IOC and IOA. Third is to be official organization in complete former responsibility for all the matters related with Olympic event, promotion and encouragement of Olympic moral and culture education for young people of the nation so that their character can be developed. Admitting the membership of state Olympic Association and National Sport Federation for which submission of their annual sports and addition state of account if necessary. These documents should be deposited to the IOA for information. The sixth point is the undertaken with assistance of National Support Federation of Financial Management, Transportation, maintenance of welfare of team from India taking part of Olympic Games and other games which are organized under the protocoling of IOC. The seventh is to take disciplinary action against any federation for misbehaving or any other undesirable activity bringing discredit to the country. जो गलत काम करते हैं, मिसबिहेव करते हैं, अब्यूजिंग करते हैं, फाइट करते हैं, उनके अगेंस्ट एक्शन लेने का भी अधिकार होता है. Eighth is the cooperation with the National Support Federation, Association, Organization and Control Selection, Training, coaches of all the team will be represent India to enforce the defense of executive rights of association to use Olympic flag and Olympic insignia. This is the main function of Indian objective of Indian Olympic Association, that to remove discrimination from caste, religious colors,